All right, we just made a quick stop over here at this little memorial that's set up right by our camp here. I mean, you can see our camp is just right there. Let's have a look at this memorial. Definitely pretty neat. So like I mentioned, our camp is right here. Right here, we've got a memorial plaque set right into these rocks here with just a really nice view. So let's check out the plaque here. In loving memory of Jim Ayers, October 24th, 1960 to February 5th, 2016. Ride that endless single track into the sunset. And that is a really nicely nicely designed little plaque there. And I don't know who Jim Ayers is, but clearly he had people that loved him and wanted to memorialize him in this way. And this is, kind of special in my opinion. Anyway, just, yeah. Well, I think now what we're going to do is scooch on over to the Geocache, which is, I don't know, somewhere back there, and we'll check on it. Come along. Well, you have to excuse if you pop ups on some. Nope. Anyway, let's head on up and work on the geocache. Sure. Oy. And here we go. Got to do the hiking. So the reason we're hiking this instead of riding, one, we don't want to ride across all these, you know, pretty flowers and kill them all. But second, this area, although managed by BLM, it's not an open area. It is a restricted area, which means you can only ride on the designated trails. Which, if you've noticed throughout watching some of the previous video and maybe later in some of this video, you'll see the brown markers. Those brown markers indicate open route, and it tells you what kind of vehicles are allowed. And then undoubtedly you'll see some red markers that just say restricted. And that means, no motor vehicles. Hike all you want, no motor vehicles. Anyway, I don't really remember this hike being this long. This is exactly why getting old and out of shape is no fun. Makes hiking harder. Yeah. But we're not even there yet. And I'm tired. You can see the quads there. And we still got to get up there. I'm already tired. Yeah. It's a pretty warm weekend. And hiking through this terrain, you want to be careful. Watch where you're stepping. Look out for things that want to come out and bite you, like snakes. You don't want to step on one of those. Well, I'm probably going to do a lot of panting and heavy breathing on the way to there. You all don't want to see that, so I'll catch back up with you at the top of the hill. So I can tell by this big rock that we're almost there, and in fact, we are almost there. Well, this is where I thought I remembered putting it. Thought I remembered putting it right up in here, but I'm not seeing it. Let's keep looking around for it. So I was pretty certain I had tucked it into these rocks here. I don't think it's in these, but we'll go check those. And then if not, we'll check behind these. Actually, let's go check behind these first. Well, we're at the top of this rock here. Now that I'm here, that one kind of looks familiar. So let's go check that one out. Nope. 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 How about over there? I don't know. Let's go look. Nope. Well, it wasn't anywhere up there. Nowhere up here. I think our last check is going to be in these rocks over here. And then, I don't know what. I found it. Just before giving up, I found it. And let me tell you, it was sneaky. But here it is. Hiding under a rock. Apparently, exactly where I left it. Let's go ahead and check on it and maybe put some more stickers back in there. First, I'm just going to look, make sure there's no critters that want to bite me in there. I don't see anything, so let's go ahead and grab it. Yep. Sure. We'll set it. We'll set them down right here. All right, let's check it out. Still some stuff in here. This was something I put in here. It was one of my son's toys. Oops, there's a Rubik's Cube. That's neat. Oddly, a book of matches. Well, in case you need it. Some herbal tea. I don't know how long this has been in here, but I don't think I want to use it. But it does not seem to have an expiration date on it. I suppose it's good. Sure. Anybody writing any of the books? Yeah. This person found it. Carrie and Becky, or somebody and Becky. That's neat. Renee, Larry Bays, Steve, Karen Barron, 51322. What a climb. Look, they're not kidding. That is a climb. And, I'm exhausted. Okay, and that's it. So let's go ahead and let's put this guy back in here. And let's go ahead and write on it here. All right. All right, what are we going to write? Good germs. Off-road. Adventures. What's today's date? Does anybody know the date today? No, it's April. I honestly don't know the date today. Give me a minute while I look up the date. Okay, April 22nd, 23. We're just going to put checked on cache, added some stickers. And, well, I hope I didn't leave them back at the quad. Nope, I didn't. And here we go. Just going to add a bunch of stickers. There we go. And I would draw, a picture on there, but I can't. And if anybody comes up here, good luck reading my writing. All right, put the book back in, pencil, and let's go ahead and close her up and put her back. Okay, let's put it right back where it goes. All right, excellent. Oof. Why did I have to park so far away? Okay, let's go. Hello there. Well, for those of you that stuck it around, we made the climb up and back, found the geocache, did the thing. So let's head back to camp, collect the wife, and let's go do some riding.